Good morning students, welcome back. In previous YouTube links or videos we have learned our English lesson number 1, The Mystery of the Whispering Ghost. Yes, I had explained you this lesson. So, I hope you have enjoyed the lesson. Now today in this video we will be completing the next parts. So what we have here, we have comprehension. Come to page 11, refer to the context and comprehension. These are answer these questions. Here questions are given. We are going to write answers in our English CW book. What we have the next, read the given extracts and answer the questions with reference to context. We have here an extract. हमें यहाँ पे एक पैराग्राफ दिया है and accordingly questions are given. We have to read this and answer these questions given below. Kids, we are going to complete this again in our English CW book. Then come to the next. What we have? Context clues. Let's read out what are context clues. As you read different kinds of text, you will come across the new words. You may not always know the meaning of these new words. One way to find the meaning of a word is to look it up in a dictionary. The other way to guess the meaning of a new word is to look for its context clues. So what do you mean by context clues? Yes, in this story we have learnt many of the new words. So what we have used, sometimes we have used the dictionary or the box in which meanings were written. है कि नहीं, हमारे पेज पर एक छोटा सा बॉक्स होता था ब्राउन कलर का and in that words were written along with the meanings, and some we think the meaning according to the context written above. है कि नहीं, हमने स्टोरी के हिसाब से कुछ वर्ड्स के मतलब खुद ही फाइंड आउट किए. Looking for context clues means reading the entire sentence or the preceding and the following sentence to find words that give us a clue about the meaning of the new word. So, how do we exactly use context clues? अगर हमें कोई word का meaning चाहिए तो हम क्या करते हैं? Previous words as well as the next words we read it. पूरा sentence read करते हैं and then we find out कि what can be the actual meaning, or otherwise we use the dictionary. So finding out meaning with the help of given sentences, with the help of given words is called as context clues. For example, students, see here we have an example. Paul, can you hear her? Yes, I do. Hold still. Paul got up and tiptoed over to the light switch and turned it on. The room filled with light again. So what is the new word here? Tiptoed. Do you know the meaning of tiptoed? पता है किसी को tiptoed का meaning? No. But how will we find out? We will read this sentence again. हम फिर से ये sentence read करते. Yes, I do. Hold still. Paul got up and tiptoed over to the light switch and turned it on. So what we think here, the meaning of tiptoed it means to walk quietly, है कि नहीं. हमने क्या सोचा कि Paul अपनी जगह से he walked tiptoed means ऐसे silently he walked and went to the light switch and then he turned on the light. Okay, this we have find out with the help of the sentences here. Let's see what is the actual meaning. Turn your page number 12. Page number 12 of your book. Read it. We can conclude that the word tiptoed means to walk quietly and carefully without making a sound. Yes, students, after reading the sentence, we had a guess, है कि नहीं? Tiptoed का actual meaning क्या था वो तो पता था क्या हमें? No, but we had a guess. हमने guess किया. Oh, this can be the meaning. So here accordingly what was the meaning? To walk quietly, एकदम शांति से ऐसे carefully चलना without making a sound is the meaning of the tiptoed. Because the preceding sentence tell us that Paul told Morgan to hold still. हमने कैसे find out क्या meaning? How we guess down? With the help of reading the remaining sentences, we had a guess, and that was absolutely correct. Then come to your question number 3. Read this sentence and use context clues to find the meaning of the word in color. So यहाँ पे you can see here 3 questions are given, and in every question there is a different colored word. We have to find out the meaning of it with the help of context clue. It means preceding and the ending words, or with the help of the sentences we have to find out the meaning of that particular word. Should we start? Yes, you are eager to see? Very good. Let's start it. You have question A. But Paul lay awake, speculating. Here the word speculating is written in different color. तो हमें किसका मीनिंग ढूंढना है? स्पेक्यूलेटिंग का. I am repeating, read along with me. But Paul lay awake, speculating what could be the whispering ghost in Morgan's room. Paul hurried to Morgan's room the next morning to investigate. So, what can be the meaning of speculating here? Let's see option. Number 1 is investigating. Next, discovering. Next, wondering. And the last one is dreaming. Once again, but Paul lay awake speculating what could be the whispering ghost in Morgan's room. So here what can be the meaning of speculating? क्या हो सकता है? Investigate कर रहा था. No, he was wondering कि क्या आवाज़ हो सकती है, right? So most suitable word is here wondering. What you will do? You will put a tick mark. Wondering को tick mark करो. Understood how to find out? Next you have, he scrutinized the bookcase where the whispering had come from. Nothing looked out of place. यहाँ पे word कौन सा है? Scrutinized. He scrutinized the bookcase. He moved, examined carefully, cleaned or rearranged. क्या किया उसने? Scrutinize किया है. It means he was examining. वो check कर रहा था कि क्या चल रहा है. What was there in the bookcase. So the context clue shows the answer examined carefully. What you will do? Put a tick mark on number 2. Next, the window had thin curtains that let the strong morning sunlight permeate through them and lit up the room. So here the word is permeate. It means to pass through, to reflect, to disappear or to shine. What can be the most closest word to this word? Repeat the sentence. The window had thin curtains that let the strong morning sunlight permeate through them. See here, let the strong morning sunlight and through. It means the most closest word is to pass through. Because of these words we have found out the actual meaning of the given word. So kids, you have to complete page number 12 and remaining we will be completing in our next video. Till that, complete it, read more and more, read our story again and again and try to find out more words which can be so interesting. Okay? Bye bye.